Hey gang, Professor Layton here. Welcome back to VEDA, day 8. Today I'm at the NEC in Birmingham with my pals. I've been told to mention that I spilled half my drink. This isn't beer, this is AWOL. James is having his lunch. Wasn't that fun, everybody? We've got about, I don't know, 15 minutes till 2 o'clock. Oh, it's recording. Have you enjoyed the Layton meet, James?
It's been so great. I've got loads of free stickers. I've got a free card as well that doubles as a fan. People should come in future to Layton meets and dress up as Layton. No, more Lukes actually.
Yeah, more Lukes.
More Lukes, less Layton.
More Lukes.
There
you go. Cheers. We go to the Wetherspoons. Yeah. So I've done the Layton meet. I'm now in the pub, waiting for me Murphys to go down.
I saw him moving. Life's good.
We're in the Wetherspoons.
We are.
What are your thoughts on our day in Birmingham?
We've had a good night of it. I wish I knew where Digworth was because I got lost a little bit. Whoops. Yeah, you know. So it's a good night out. Great people, great city, very good. That's all I can say, you know.
Yeah, so thanks for watching this VEDA. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.